Doordash deactivated your account, leaving you stranded and without income. Let's get it fixed fast. First things first, don't panic. Doordash usually deactivates accounts for specific reasons, often related to low completion rates, customer complaints, or policy violations. The key is to understand why and appeal the decision. Open your Dasher app and navigate to the Help section. This is usually found within the account settings or profile area. Look for a category related to account issues or deactivation. Tap on it. Next, find the email Doordash sent about your deactivation. It will likely explain the reason. Based on that reason, draft a polite and professional appeal email. Acknowledge the issue and, if you made a mistake, take responsibility for it. If you believe the deactivation was an error, calmly explain your side with specific examples. Keep your email concise and factual. Explain how deactivation has impacted you and express your commitment to adhering to Doordash's policies in the future. Request a review of your case and a chance to reinstate your account. Finally, be patient. It can take a few days for Doordash to review your appeal. Check your email regularly for updates. While you wait, explore alternative income options. A positive outcome is possible, so stay proactive and hope for the best.